So this is unbelievable. You see it here? For the automatic and Honda 300 SH de-dusting. You see, it is pretty dirty. There's a lot of dirt from the belt. It has to de-dust due to the airflow over the casing, the engine case and the variomatic case. But somehow this does not work so good as, for instance, with Piaggio engines. Because if you don't drive it full throttle, if you only drive it in the city, it will get really dirty and a lot of dust rests from the belt, and this will influence the vario, and this will cause a lack of power at very low ref. So we'll have 1.5 seconds. You will be slower because of a lot of dust. So if you go slow, open the case and clean it regularly. The other option is just go full throttle all the time and there is no dust problem, or buy the 150cc, not the 300, because this needs more full throttle than the 300, which is a little bit too much for just the city. Let's take the vario out. Always hold it here in the back that the rolls don't fall out. Here, there we go. Do you see this dirt? Oh, this is unbelievable. You see it here? This, and this, and this, and this. What slides? It slides here. Wait, I can show you. Vario on again. You see? It slides like this. And if there's rubber in between, then this costs 1.5 seconds. It's really horrible to ride. Like, yeah. Let's clean that shit. Same problem here with the lid of the variomatic. You see this dirt? It's unbelievable. See this? Wow. And it's really sticky. That does not do any good for the variomatic. And how much kilometer does this engine has? 12,000. So nothing. Just already broken in properly. Yeah, there's definitely potential with the self-cleaning ability of this variomatic and engine case, because this is bad. Now to clean, just put some oil on it. It also helps against rust. Let it soak in and then clean it. And afterwards you can use a brake. You see how it already disappears? go!
Ein Biest!
Sorry, ja.
Bist du deppert, ist das ein Biest jetzt?